Hola and welcome to Spanish class. I was asked to record a video so you could know a little bit about our class. So here it is. I'm going to move to the corner and let's see. There I am in the corner and this is the presentation. So sixth grade open house, Mrs. Bass, that's me. Exploratory Spanish dual language. We had 2 programs in Spanish this year. So let's move. Oh, what's this not moving? That's going to happen, man. We need to learn our new way now. All right. So welcome to Spanish class. Here's some information to learn about me and about the class. I'm originally from Colombia, South America. You can see probably in the background. You can see the Colombian flag, and you also can see the American flag. I have a bachelor's degree in Spanish and English, and I have been working with the North Carolina schools for around 16 years. 12 and a half of those have been at Puerto Rich Middle. Our class is a fun class. We have different activities that we like to practice with the students, and in order to learn some Spanish, we use computers, so that got pretty handy now that we are going to need to do our remote or virtual learning in some cases. We research about different topics. We like to sing karaoke sometimes. I don't know how we're going to do it now, but maybe we can do it. And other times we like to dance. Maybe when we meet, we can do some of those activities. We also try to get conferences, and I think with people in other countries, and I think this is going to be the perfect tool to do it. So now that we have to do it remotely. This year, the new thing, so we were talking about the programs that we have for 6th grade. So 6th grade, they're going to have 6-week exploratory Spanish, but we also introducing this year something called dual language. In this program, we're going to receive the students who have been in the immersion program during the elementary school, but also if your student comes from a Spanish-speaking country and the first language is Spanish, they can try for it, and we can get them there. I have my contact information here. That's my email. That is the school number, so you can call and leave a message, and I will return your call as soon as possible. You can email me. But also, I have a Spanish line. La línea en español, el 307-622-4110. Es para aquellas personas que no comprenden lo que acabo de dar, la explicación que acabo de darles en inglés. Yo con mucho gusto, cualquier pregunta que tengan, se las puedo resolver. Yeah, some of you didn't know what it was, but it was for my Spanish speakers. The class expectations for the remote learning days. The students are going to be, the students for dual language are going to be around 1 hour per day. And the other students will be 30 minutes per day for the exploratory Spanish. Since we are just really new to this concept, the dual language students is a new program, and also the virtual is kind of new to us because we started before the summer break. So we're going to start using Canvas, and then after that we will see what other tools we can use to, make it fit in our plans. Before we went for the break, it was optional to do the work, but now it's not going to be optional. So kids are going to have to do their work online when they are at home. I invite you parents to become Canvas observers. You can get in Canvas and be an observer, so you can supervise and monitor the work that your kids are doing, and you can also know the way that I'm communicating with them, so you will be updated on everything that we need to know. So what's going on? The extra support for students. So we have this chart here that can give you ideas on how the plan B and the plan D are gonna work, and you have the instructions there that are pretty much self-explanatory. I don't think I have to go on every one of those details, but you can look at it and read it and see the something important is the Friday that is going to be our hours where we can actually meet with students and help them with whatever they have. We're going to have office hours, not meaning that we cannot do it the other days, but we can communicate through Canva, so we can make the arrangements, the necessary arrangements for that. This is the information for the parents. We have the administrative support and the counselor support. So, about the laptop, every student who is coming new to Puerto Rich Middle is going to receive a Chromebook and a charger. And then you're going to have to fill for the agreement with the school, and the students are responsible for charging Chromebook every day. And then the cameras are going to be activated, so it's good that you be around monitoring. There's no, for the days that the students are coming to school, there is no there is no lockers. So the kids are going to be carrying their bags to their classes. And we also encourage them to have a water bottle so they don't have to go to the fountains. For my class, they are going to need a binder and loose leaf paper, and also the required materials just to work in our projects. So they need color pencils and the things that are on the screen. For the first day of school, the 6th graders are going to report to the pit in the morning, and then they are going to be dismissed around 8:15 so they can go to their homeroom, and then they can follow the signs. But if they don't know what to do, there will be people around to help them to find their way in the school. We're here to support you. We can schedule virtual meetings or phone conference at any time. And there's information of the counselor for 6th grade and the 6th grade administrator in case that you need to ask any questions. And well, that's it for now. I hope I can be in touch with you, and I'm here to serve you and to help you with anything that I can. Please don't hesitate to contact me, and I wish you a great day and a great year. I'll see you around. Bye-bye.